Hey guys, thanks for joining again to another video. Today we have the Realme Watch S. Now this specific product really means something to me because I think it symbols the phase where wearables are becoming cheaper but at the same time also become much better for that specific price. Now this one costs around 100 bucks, and we can compare it to those high-end Apple Watch which costs around $400, and the Galaxy Watch which is also around the same price point. I specifically have the Garmin watch, which some models can cost around $1,000. So this really is a low end, or not even low end, budget smartwatch that I think really worth buying or even just giving it a try, because we used to have already those cheap watches that you can buy for $50, $60, but you got those lags on the screen, not high resolution, really poor functionality. And this one I truly think that came a long way since then and offer really good value for money. Okay, enough chit chat, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, before we open this one, let's look at some of the features that you can already see on the package. It comes with a 1.3-inch touchscreen, heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitor, 16 sports modes, long battery life, we'll see about that, IP68 water resistance, which means that you can actually take a shower with it, go to the pool, the ocean, whatever, and works with Realme Link, which is Realme app you can download to connect the watch to your phone. Okay, so it looks like it's coming right off. Wow. Such a nice looking watch. Okay, let's see what we got in the package. So we have the watch, obviously, we'll put it right here. Then inside we have the charger and also a manual with here, but nothing else. Okay. The charger seems to go here in the back. You just plug it, use the magnet to just lock itself in. So pretty good, easy to use, and let's peel it off, see what we get. Okay, so turn it on by clicking on this button here. You get the first screen to choose your language. Let's click yes here. Okay, so now it wants me to connect it to the phone, either download the app or just connect it if you already downloaded it. So let me connect it for a second and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. We had to also register, but also to update the device itself. Took several minutes, no big deal. Right at first glance, I can say that the screen resolution looks very good. Everything looks super sharp, and the touchscreen works really well, really fast response, so I like it already from the beginning. The band itself is made from really soft rubber, you can feel it, and it's something that you won't really have issues with putting on your hand. Now, when we look at the things that are available here, no Android apps or something like that. This is more of a fitness type of watch. the way I understand it. So from the home screen, when you click on this button here, we are moving into the sports types, I think, screen, where you can choose what you're planning to do. Let's say strength training, so we just click on that, and you can just click on start, and it will measure probably your heart rate and your calorie burns and oxygen in your blood according to specific configurations that are relevant for strength training, but also it's relevant for other things that you choose, like running, jogging, walking, so on. So long pressing here on the screen will open the different faces menu that you can choose from. So you can basically scroll and choose another face that you can have as your home screen, and you can probably download some more from their site or their app. Now pressing this button here will open the menu where you can have all the different features. So here's where you can set alarm clocks. These are the settings where you can change things like the time the screen, the time where the screen keeps on, do not disturb mode, different things like general settings or system settings to do factory reset, those kind of stuff. Here's where you get all different records of exercises that you've done. This brings you to the same menu where you can choose different type of sports that you want to measure. You can look at the weather, which is pretty nice. Heart rate monitor. This is actually pretty nice. You can also do some meditation over here. So you choose the time that you want, let's say 1 minute, and then it just tells you what to do. Okay, keep relaxed. Now inhale and probably exhale, the next step. So kind of guides you through meditation for as long as you set it up. It's pretty nice. This is where you can control music on your phone if you're listening to music while exercising. This is where it measures the oxygen in your blood. You have to put it on your arm, so we won't see anything now, but I'm sure that it works. If you wear it overnight, it also monitors your sleep, so you can actually see how good you're sleeping at night, measure the quality of it, etc. Use it as a stopwatch or as a timer, and even here you can use it for tracking your phone. So if you lost it and you start this button over here, it will just start ringing on your phone until you find it. And eventually the last one is a button to just take pictures from your phone. So kind of a remote for taking pictures or filming videos. Not that many features, but I think that overall it's pretty good. Obviously you can get notifications over here if someone is calling you, or even from different apps. You can actually set up different notifications on the phone, like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, whatever, and it will just show here on the screen. So to be honest, I really dig this watch. For the amount of money that it costs, really is a good deal. Okay, so you might say that other watches over there can do much more, but I'm not that sure, to be honest, that the Apple Watch can do many more features that this watch can, or at least features that worth to pay 3 or 4 times more this price of $100. I honestly think that I can live exactly okay using this watch as a day-to-day, wearable, and I'm really happy that I got the chance to examine some more budget low-cost products that are existing out there. If you like this video and want me to review some other low-cost budget products like this one, just leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to try and look for them, buy them, and review them. Again, I truly believe that you don't need to pay much today in order to get good value products, and this one is just a good example of one of them. Please consider to subscribe and like this video in order to help me grow this channel. Until next time, get out of here.